All right, everyone. It's day 7 of our Binance Smart Chain buying of meme coin challenge, and also using dollar cost averaging to buy PHT and other meme coins. It's really amazing and wonderful that it's now 7 days that we started this challenge. Like play. We are officially 1 week in on this challenge. This is really wonderful, and we are definitely progressing. So far, so good. We've accumulated 7 meme coins, including PHT. And the interesting thing here is that, some of these meme coins has utility, because there are actually millions of meme coins out there, if not billions right now, because every second, every minute, every hour, people are creating meme coins, especially with the help of Pump Fund. They are launching meme coins every now and then. Okay, but thank God, the meme coins we are buying, especially PHT and WikiCat, these ones are building utility. WikiCat has Penny Wallet. Okay, so they're working on their digital bank. All right, so PHT has Fire Screener, and they're also working on some other stores like that. So all these things are very important. They are very necessary, because we all know that meme coins, most of the time, their value, their prices increases based on hype. Yes, based on hype. Okay, so what happens once the hype fades? Once the hype stops, the project fails. The project does what? Fails. The meme coins crash. The price crash like crazy when the hype fades or dies. All right. So we are not just buying this meme coins right here because of hype. You can see all these meme coins here has been created for a very long time, except for this one right here, this mass that was created less than a year. Others has been created over a year ago. Okay, so some are created over 2 years ago, some are created about 3 years ago. And if they've been created over 1-2 years ago and they are still in vogue, it shows they have great potential. All right, they have great potential once the community is still active. You understand? And don't forget, I told you guys, we have to work for our bag. All right, so when I say we have to work for our bag, it simply means we have to do one or two things to make sure that, okay, as we are buying this meme coin, we are also, promoting the project. We are also sharing the opportunity. Are you getting it? Like, you don't have to force anybody, if this thing definitely, like most of these projects start skyrocketing, pumping, like, you'll be glad. Yes, I shared this with my people. They're in profit right now. Okay, because some of those people. Okay, let me teach you one quote. If anyone come and beg you for money this time around, don't give them money. Tell them to go and look for $1 to $5 and start buying these meme coins. Okay? Tell them that's what you are doing. You are also looking for money to accumulate these meme coins. All right? So tell them to do the same thing. And if this meme coins prices skyrocket, okay, and you make so much profit, and they come back to you and ask you for money, then you remind them, didn't I ask you to buy this? Okay, if they bought, fine. If they didn't buy, that's their problem. All right. So now, also, how do you work for your bag? These videos, as I'm uploading them, as you're watching them, you share it. You share it. Okay, I'm not crazy doing this. Okay, you share it. I'm also working for my bag by making this video, sharing with you guys. So you guys should do the same thing as well. All right? Work for your bag. Go to Twitter. Okay? So, like, doing all those doesn't cost you a dime. All right? And while sharing it, make sure you let people know that they should risk what they can afford. You understand? Okay? So, don't forget, initially what we deposited on our BNB wallet is $50. Okay? 50 something dollars. Yes, 50 something dollars. It's remaining $9 plus. And we started using it to buy little by little. We could have decided to buy, one of these, like this BTC Dragon. Use the whole $50 to buy it. Okay? And BTC Dragon is actually down, -8 right now. So automatically our 50 something dollars will be down right now. Okay, so but as you can see, we are currently, like, the current dollar value we have here is $60. So just by using dollar cost averaging, and also we are diversifying, buying other meme coins. Okay, we are not going all in on just one meme coin. We are not just putting all our eggs into one basket. You understand? So, and I'm very glad you guys are participating. You guys are doing what I'm doing. Okay? That's the essence of this video. Right? So, I believe you should be learning 1 or 2 lessons right now. Okay? So, the only worst thing that can happen is that, okay, as we are buying using dollar cost averaging, the prices of some of those meme coins, especially PHT, might be going up. Okay? You'll be like, okay, because when we started buying PHT, let's say 0.060, okay, but now it's 0.065. The price could get to $1. And if the price gets to $1 before we end this challenge, we'll still buy using dollar cost average. We'll still buy. Are you getting it? That's the worst thing that can ever happen. You might be like, I should have bought with huge amounts when the price was still, less than 10 cents. No. The rich people don't even think like that. All right? So, let's just keep buying like this. All right? Let's keep buying like this. So, just as usual. All right? So, we're going to buy again. BNB 0.0063. Swap. And if you also notice, the Binance coin itself is pumping. It has actually reached $1,000. Home. Right. So our PHT holding currently is 634. Okay. So, and take note, as me, I'm buying with like $5 plus. If what you can afford to be buying with every day is more, will be like you are capable of buying with more than $5 plus per day, you can be buying that. Don't limit yourself because of me. You understand? So if you know that you are capable of buying with $10, $20, $50 every day, buy it. make sure that it's something that you can afford. All right, don't break the bank. All right. So make sure it's something that you can afford. All right. So don't forget, anytime we buy and sell PHC, there is always a transaction fees. Okay. So, and not just only PHT, other meme coins too. So there is transaction. So now let's buy LSCAT. So we don't really have to, look for what's it called, other meme coins to buy. So as I said in my previous video, we'll be adding to our position on with some of these meme coins. All right. So today now we'll add to this LSCAT, and before this challenge even runs out, we might not even buy more than 20 meme coins, because we don't need to buy hundreds of millions of meme coins to get what we want to achieve our aim. So like about 20, we are good to go. So if it's just to top up, we top up. All right. So okay, and let me also give us the reason why I feel we should top up this. All right. So let me click the on-chain market info. So LSCAT market cap is also still below 100k. All right. And the maximum supply is 110 million. It has pumped, it's retracing currently. So let's go ahead and just add to our position. Okay. So my BNB, I have to replenish it. Okay, so $2.87. So I'll do that. So I'll replenish it again. So we can be using that to buy more. Right, LSCAT swap BNB. So let me just use 50% of what I have to buy swap. Yeah, okay. So you can see the slippage of this transaction is 9%. Understand. Confirm. Yeah, so we're done for today. All right. So our LSCAT holding too has increased. So we now have 2,999 LSCAT. All right. So we are progressing. We are what? We are progressing. So until you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.